Chef Ashish Alfred.
Ashish!
I love that.
What's it called?
This is just beets over some creme fraiche, some little toasted pistachio, a little bit of mint, a little bit of parsley.
All right.
Yeah, super simple, no fancy names. I'm gonna hit these beets with a little bit of olive oil. So you're gonna start chopping up some mint for me.
Okay.
And you're just gonna pick some parsley and leave the leaf nice and whole.
Oh, done and done.
All right. So a little salt and pepper on the beet. Wrap this up in some aluminum foil. Get it nice and tight. I'm gonna take these. We're gonna go into a 400-degree oven for about an hour, hour and a half, or what I like to tell my cooks is until they're done.
Right.
That goes into the oven.
But how do you know for the layman at home that way you just pass a knife through it?
Pass a knife through if it comes out easily. If you're not like fighting with the beet to get it off, it's usually done.
So you like them really cooked through?
I like them really cooked through.
And covering them, you're kind of steaming them by enclosing them, but you're also oven roasting them. You're kind of getting that best of both worlds.
And
You're
it
not
really
dropping them in
condenses
water.
that beety flavor and like reduces the sugars that are naturally inside the beet. I'm gonna show you how easy it is to get these peeled. Take a couple paper towels. These will cool down for us a little bit, and we're just gonna give them a little massage. I'm just gonna get started our glaze. Just have some water.
Water?
Super simple. Water, a little teaspoon of honey. Leave the spoon in there so it melts off. And we're gonna add a touch of butter. That's gonna cook down. While that's cooking down, we're gonna keep working on these beets, and there's really no like rhyme or reason to how you wanna cut your beets. I like to keep them kind of random. Makes it a little bit easier to plate them, gives you a couple different shapes on the plate, helps you create some height, so don't stress out about how you're cutting them. It doesn't have to be a perfect dice, doesn't have to be in circles, just whatever you feel like doing.
Tips from the #1 chef in Maryland. I need this, thank you.
Thank you. Sonny, if you could do me a favor,
Yeah, what's up?
and if you could take half of that mint and all of that lemon zest and add it to the creme fraiche for me. Beets are gonna go in.
So pretty.
A touch more pepper, a little bit of salt. I think in the true chopped spirit, it would help me do this if I had like a little countdown going.
Oh, yeah!
15, 14,
Make sure everything's on the plate, chef.
13,
Slow down, Jeffrey.
12,
Remember,
11,
presentations, chef.
10. Hold on, I have to take a phone call.
Just hold on. Take a minute.
I'll take over. 37.
This is chocolate.
36.
Fall flavor, chefs.
Make sure you use all the secret
What happens
ingredients
to the
in your
countdown?
basket.
Well,
10,
A little bit of mint.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop your knives!
Chef's back away from the ingredient.
Let me tell you what's really happening here that's really working is that lemon zest, creme fraiche, mint melange. People don't use mint enough in a savory dish to just really make it pop. This is delicious. It is warming. I'm eating vegetables, baby.